Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Tax 1099 for 1099 filing readiness with Open your QuickBooks application. Log in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Navigate to the Apps section from the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type Tax 1099. Click on the Tax 1099 app from the search results. Select the Get App Now button to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts to connect your QuickBooks account with Tax 1099. You will be redirected to the Tax 1099 website to complete the connection. Create a Tax 1099 account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required details such as your name, email, and business information. After entering your information, click on Sign Up. Check your email for a confirmation link from Tax 1099 and click it to verify your account. Return to the Tax 1099 login page and sign in with your new credentials. Once logged in, set up your business profile by entering necessary details, including your IRS information. Next, navigate to the 1099 filing section within Tax 1099. In this section, you can add recipients for your 1099 forms. Choose the method to import your vendors from QuickBooks. Verify the information after it uploads to ensure accuracy. Select the types of 1099 forms you need for your vendors. Make sure each recipient's information is complete and correct. Now, proceed to fill out any additional required fields for each 1099 form. After ensuring that everything is accurate, click on Prepare for Filing. Tax 1099 will guide you through the filing process. Once you confirm the payment, your forms will be filed with the IRS. You can also track the status of your filings directly through Tax 1099. To ensure readiness, review your records at the end of the filing season. Keep all related documents organized for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.